Good day, guys. It's your one and only BSLEG72. As you all know me, your mentor. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I'll be dropping the next video.
Most traders lose money because they treat the market like a casino. Number one, there's no rules. Number two, there's no plan, just vibes. Understand? But here's the truth, guys. Consistency only comes when you have a trading checklist guiding you in each and every single trade that you take. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step how to build a trading checklist that keeps you disciplined, cuts out those emotional mistakes that you tend to make, and makes your trading so easy. Whether you are a beginner or already trading live, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear framework you can use every day before hitting that buy or sell button. So number one thing that I will ask you as my viewer is, do you already have a trading checklist, or do you have any checklist that you are following? If not, then trust me, guys, you should know the reason why you're taking those losses that you tend to take. Understand? So I'll be sharing my personal rules that I follow before taking any entries that forces me to be disciplined. Number one, if pre-market box is not fully checked, I'll be not trading. Understand? Pre-market always starts after 2:30. Number two, if you hit your maximum daily stop loss, then I'll be stopping trading. I'll stop trading for that day. Understand? Number three, I only take setups that matches with my rules. You understand? For example, if I'm saying the market will break the previous low, create a new low, and then I'll look for a closure of a candlestick and then take my buys, then those will be my rules. It's just an example. You understand? Number four, keep each day notes written out. You understand? What do I mean by that? Whatever entry that you took, make sure you write that entry down. Check what worked for you, check what didn't work for you, and what you need to fix. If your emotions were in place for you to take an unnecessary trade and then you took a loss, you know emotions were there. If you saw that the market is leaving you behind, then you know fear of missing out was also there. Understand? You need to write certain things out. So now, number three, which is our daily routine on how to use it, which we have number one there on the screen. Do the pre-market checklist before you open your charts for live trades. Number two, have any 4 confluences you will check for before taking an entry or trade. Tick all of them, then take a trade. If one is not checked out, then don't take a trade. Understand? So as you can see, pre-market starts 60 or 30 minutes before your session. For example, 4:30 before the New York session, 3:30. Understand? And then if we can move to this one, this is our things that you need to look for before taking an entry. You should have at least 3 pairs, guys. For example, I only have gold, Nasdaq, German 30. Those are only 3 things that I trade each and every time for the whole year. Those are things that I trade. Understand? I don't trade anything else besides those 3. So each and every time before each and every session, whether London, New York, I look for those 3, I analyze those 3, and then I see which pair will be respected first. The one that will be respected first, I make sure I take an entry. Number 2, what I usually do, I simply go to Forex Factory or investing.com, check my economic calendar, see if there's any high impact news. Understand? That would disturb my trading. And then obviously I have an entry model. An entry model, it's also something that you have to have, you understand, in place. You can't just take a trade because you see a double top only, or you can't just take a trade because maybe you see a head and shoulder only. You should have more than that. You understand? You should have more than that. You understand? So also, I follow my time. Understand? I don't just trade at any time. Not because now I'm seeing an entry around 5:45, now I'm trading. No. I have certain times that I use in order for me to take my entries. But then those videos will be posted after. You understand? It's still going to be a lot of series after this video. There's still going to be a lot of things. And then if you want to take anything that I use into your own trading style, you can implement that. You understand? And then also have an execution and in trade management. Understand? What do I mean by that, guys? I simply mean if price reaches your first target, make sure you at least put your stop loss break even. Break even, it's simply yourself pushing that stop loss above your profits. You understand? In case the market comes back, you know that you'd never lost your 500, because I know sometimes it might be hard to get funding. You understand? You might have that last 500, and then if the market takes it out, you will struggle for you to fund. I was once there, you understand? I know some of you are also there, you understand? But also prop firms are there to also keep you going. And then one thing that you need to do also, guys, is simply journaling your trades, win or losses. Journal your trades. After journaling your trades, and then make sure that everything is in place. You understand? And then also, one thing that you need to do is simply having your entry types in place, guys. Let me just show you my entry types. So I have 3 entry types that I simply use. You understand? I have 3 entry types that I simply use. So I'll first use my golden zone entry type. This is my first entry type. Number 2, I'll use my premium and discount entry type. Simply waiting for the market to come to my discount in order for me to take my buys. And then number 3, I'll simply be waiting for an inverse fair value gap in order for me to know that the market never respected the bearish side. Instead, we are coming to reverse to go to the top. Understand? These are my 3 entry types that I'm using. Understand? So I don't really want to keep this video long, guys. I'm trying to keep everything simple because I've been keeping things long, and most of you have not been understanding any things that I say. Understand? Because I get comments like people texting me telling me, yes, the strategy is hard, how can I keep it simple? So this series that I'll be making, it's 8 series that will be here. This one is the second one. So this 8 series will be series that will motivate you understand, to see each and every part and then connect it into one thing, and then you'll see how easy the strategy is. Understand? I don't have to force you guys to learn it, but then if you are willing to learn it, then trust me, it will work for you. If it worked for me, then it will also work for you. It's your one and only BeastLike72, guys. Please click the link on my description for you to access my Instagram. If you have any inquiries, text me on app, on WhatsApp, and then I guess we are good to go. Another series coming soon. It's your one and only BeastLike72, as you all know me, your mentor. Thank you.